Hello, do you have a happy place you like to visit? Marge has one, it's the Bubbling Bog. Today we're going to make our very own shoebox happy place. To make your shoebox happy place, you will need a shoebox, paint and a paintbrush, scissors and glue, pens and pencils of your choice, and any pictures hand-drawn or found in magazines and newspapers to collage with. Ask an adult before you cut them out. I also have some branches and a decayed leaf to make my bubbling bog with. Paint your shoebox inside and out. When it's dry, you can add your drawings and other collage pictures. With my pens and pencils, I've drawn Marge's bubbling bog on some grass. I'm going to glue it and add it to the bottom of my shoebox. There's lots of nice trees and plants at Marge's bubbling bog. I've got some pictures of plants that are nice and colourful. I'll stick them to all the sides of my shoebox. I'll add real twigs and decayed leaves for my monster toys to play hide and seek behind. I've got a couple of toys that I'm going to pretend are monsters. Now I'm ready to play with my wonderful shoebox happy place. And here it is, Marge's happy place, the Bubbling Bog. I wonder where your happy place is. Have fun making. Bye bye.
Monster